Welcome back to Big Dog Trade, where we grow, learn, and trade smarter together. In the following video, we're going to discuss NVDA and its upcoming earnings report on the 28th of May, which is going to happen after the market closes. If you're new to the channel, you should know I don't like to bore my viewers with pseudo theories, with a bunch of charts, which at the end of the day won't play any role in the price action. What I like to do is jump right into the analysis and explain to my viewers something that they can take away, something useful. Unlike all these other YouTubers that go on and on yapping about the stock, and at the end of the day, you don't even know what to think of. Now, when we look at the weekly chart, we can see potential head and shoulders. And believe me, most of the people are looking at the weekly and thinking, okay, this is head and shoulders, I should probably get some put options. Now that's one way to look at it. I say we go slightly into depth and move into the daily chart and look at the 4 previous reports made by NVIDIA. Earning report made in May of 2024. It broke the resistance line and went for all-time highs. Then when we look at the August reports of 2024, there were a bunch of positive news, bunch of positive sentiment, yet it slid. It was at the same level for a couple of days and then went for all-time highs once again. When we look at the November reports of 2024, it also slid. Now when we look at the January report of 2025 of this year, it also slid. And let's have in mind, all of these reports had a positive outlook. They beat the estimates and their guidance was good. So what happened? I say it all has to do with sentiment. When it comes to that, I prefer to stay in the minority because that's where you make the money in trading. Now, when we look at the put to call ratio on NVIDIA, we can clearly see that the volume is a lot higher for calls. And when we look at the open interest, there's still not a lot more, but slightly more calls than puts. So boys and gals, let me know what you're doing with the stock this time. Are you buying some more? Or are you shorting it and waiting for the better price? If you enjoyed this type of video and you like to see more, no bullshitting around like all these other YouTubers, please subscribe, like the video, it helps me a lot, and I see you in the next video.